Hello guys, welcome to Generation Rebel. In this video I'll be showing you the new Steam UI. It's actually quite cool what the new Steam UI looks like. We've been having lots of updates in Steam in the last few months, but this one could be probably one of the biggest. So to access my Steam UI, you just need to press Shift Tab if you haven't been using Steam that long. As you can see over in the top left, you can see the battery. It's just much better, and you can also see your game overview, how much you've been playing, the achievements down here. This is just a tray, notes. You can also write now whatever you want, just notes. Wow, you can also, there's also even like modifications, like you can turn it to bold or italicize or underline and just crash out. Just try the other ones for now. So this here is, we have the guide is for the guides for the game. Many of these tools are already available back in the old UI. The only difference being is that the new UI is just much more pleasing to look at. It's just not a jumbled mess as it used to be. As you can see, this game only has one guide, so you can't really see much. The discussions just send you to the forums. It's gonna take a while for me, but just leave it be. Then there's your screenshot gallery over here. Press F12 to try to take a screenshot, just to show you how it works. Alright, so we've taken a screenshot. Just head over. Oh, you can also see it also in the game overview. As you can see, there even have some other features to look at there on the screenshots. And there's your friends, and then there's the browser, controller settings. Or controller games. Of course, this game isn't really controller, but really glad that they just put it into like huge logos now and icons that can be easily be spotted other than just letters. As you can see, oh, the Steam settings also here too. Oh, you can also minimize windows. That's pretty dope. That's really cool. That's really cool. So that is the new Steam UI. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, because I think that was very great indeed. That's very amazing to look at, to see how much Steam has changed. So I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you did. This was Generation Rebel saying bye bye and good luck and have fun. Peace out.